here's the big finale for this arrangement that I created for you for Malagueñas. And we're at rehearsal mark H. We have already discussed all this part. So we're going to jump right into the transition that goes from this E. After that F, saying that I've repeated this whole part twice. We're going to go to an E major. In my performance right now on this video, I actually played that first E major with my thumb. I went, Totally cool. Totally cool if you want to do that, okay? So that's what I did. Or you can just start with that. And I say M-A as a block together, but usually when I do this block, it's all three fingers. A, M, and I. Okay? I don't normally just go like this. I just leave my hand in a natural shape, a natural ergonomic shape, yeah? As if I'm holding an egg, yeah? I like that phrase or that visualization from Tai Chi. When you hold a fist, that you're holding an egg in your fist, yeah? So you hold it, but you don't want to, yeah? So anyway. And we're going to go, basically, if you're in the bulerías, you would do a compás and a half. 12 beats and then another 6 beats. We go 1, 2, 3, 1. So 6 sets of 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, and then we change to the F. And this has a fermata, okay? Meaning that you just hold this out, and it could be just barely a little bit longer. It's meant to be held out longer than what's written. What is written is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then this would be 3, 1. If it was in that the traditional as marked time. Except for it has that fermata. So you'd go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It has to go past that. So it's an extra extended length on there, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then just a little bit longer. It could be right there. Or it'd be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, yeah. Okay? Now you can do those as downstrokes like that. Just with the same technique that you've been doing. Or you could add a capirote technique. You can go 1 normal and then that final one and add that capirote. I'll leave a link for a description video on that technique, okay? You could go add a little rasgueado with the draw, like we've done in other tutorials in this development program, yeah? So anything like that, okay? Obviously that in this particular arrangement that I created, I went for a big, robust ending, okay? So it doesn't lend itself to take that away from it. You have this build, and you can continue to go 1, 2, 3, 4, or I'm not going to count, but... You could do a capirote on both, okay? But you saw that I continue to speed it up even through this. Okay, the big thing that I would recommend is that you keep that pulse. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So you're accenting that 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? There you have it. That can provide quite a bit of, excitement for an end. And a lot of people, I would think, anytime performing this, I think that would create that ole factor, yeah? Which is what we're looking for when we're doing any flamenco stuff. You want to people to spontaneously and almost feel like it's out of their control, that they just have to say ole, okay? that's the joy of it, is trying to create those moments. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. This is the final section of this Malagueñas for the arrangement that I created for you. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I'm here for you if you have any questions. Remember, throughout this I have talked about artistic license. Make this yours. I highly recommend you learn it as it is, but if you want to repeat sections or elongate sections, feel free to do so. Okay, make it yours, or change the artistic interpretation. I like to do this part particularly loud. You prefer to do that part particularly soft. That's okay. Okay. I just want you to understand all the technical aspects of it, and then be able to work with your technique and then your artistic sensibilities. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here for you. And if you care to, I would love for you to send me a video of your final work of this piece. Okay? Have a great day. Get to practicing. Bye-bye.